Now I would like to call upon the stage the convener of Utthan 2K19, Abhishek sir. The beloved Abhishek sir. Put your hands together for him.
Good evening. First thing before starting the vote of thanks is, on the first day I told the students to be on time, and they were on time all the 3 days. Hopefully all of you are understanding what I mean to say. Thanks for that. Good. Now starting with the vote of thanks, uh, most honorable Mr. Uttam Dubey sir, respected director sir, Dr. Arvind Kumar sir, our invited guests, organizing committee members of Utthan 2K19, my dear students, colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, it's my privilege to have been asked to propose the vote of thanks on this occasion of our 3 days Techno-Cultural Annual Fest Utthan 2019. Now this particular event we have started long back, and this event is basically of the students, for the students and by the students. So for next time, try to participate in more numbers. On behalf of organizing committee members, let me first extend my vote of thanks to all the participants whose sincere efforts were the key attraction of this particular program. The fest was well covered by our media partners, namely Prabhat Khabar, Dainik Jagran, Indian Punch, Hindustan, and our radio partner T.N. Brahmasri. It is really my pleasure to thank all our media partners and district administration for their constant support. Utthan 19 was a cumulative effort of all our technical and cultural clubs and societies. I thank all faculty in charges of these clubs and societies, along with the students and coordinators for their sincere efforts and superb execution. Thanks are due to the management of this institute for providing us with the major financial support for this particular event. It is also my privilege to thank all the sponsors, namely Airtel, AKHS, Ornate Resort, CMPDI Ranchi, Methodex, Sovini, Bikaner Sweets, Gitanjali, Herbal Beauty Parlor, Silpkari Ranchi, Chandra Films, Four Guys, Devghar Dance Academy, Hotel Comfort, Vaishnavi Clarks Inn, Hotel Panas Patna, Bawarchi, Sarda Pustak Bhandar, Skyfi Labs, and Javed Habib for coming forward with their kind token of sponsorship, which greatly helped us in giving this program a final say. All the student coordinators and organizing members of Utthan 19 have really worked hard to make this program a grand success, and it's my pleasure to thank them all on behalf of the organizing committee. This time, the exhibitions of Fine Art Society has really been awesome. As per the general feedback received, special thanks are due to all the participating students along with the faculty in charge of the society. During the fest, the technical and cultural events, which were to be judged by our faculty members to select the winners. Thanks are due to all such faculty members who constantly supported the Utthan team in this particular regard. I would also like to thank our accounts department to mobilize the funds on time. During the evening program, the members of our monitoring team have constantly been present to make every measures to conduct the stage in a peaceful way. Our students have also well compiled with the efforts of monitoring team. It's my privilege to thank all the members for their sincere effort. Our supporting staff members from the Department of P&D have also done a great job right from the starting till the end. I would also, I sincerely beg my pardon if by mistake I have left somebody who deserved to be thanked on this occasion. Thank you all.